Your SAM4s SPS-340 cash register has 100 speed keys that you can assign PLUs to. I'm going to show you how to set that up. So take your P key and go into program mode or PGM position. And we're going to focus on the first option on the screen, which says 0 PLU. So go ahead and press 0. I'm going to press 0 again to go into add or modify PLU. In this screen, you're going to select any of the 100 PLU keys on your keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and press 1. In this following screen, you'll be able to set a description or a name for your PLU, set a price for it, and mark it as a taxable item or a non-taxable item. We're only going to focus on these three options for now. I'm going to press page up to go back to my first screen. The first option you're on is description. It says PLU1 for now, but I'm going to rename this into hamburger. Once I'm done, I press cash to go into the following option. Preset, I'm going to leave it as a Y because it is going to be a set price. Price for this burger is $8.99. Now I didn't type a period on there, but once I press cash, the register will assign that period on its own. Preset override is by default on Y. This just allows your cashiers to set a new price if they need to during their transactions. If you make this into a no, this PLU will always be $8.99 and no changes will be allowed. I'm gonna put back Y on this. On this last option, which is taxable by 1, 2, 3, or 4, this is where you can set your PLU with the tax. I haven't set any tax departments in this cash register, so I'm going to leave it as a no. But if you have already set your first tax department and you want this PLU to be taxable, then you press your yes or no key to assign this into a Y. Once you're done making all your changes, you're going to press cash, and we can go back to register mode. Let's test out this PLU key. And as you can see on screen, this is a hamburger for $8.99. I can go ahead and tender this and end my transaction.